Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set camera scan QR code on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on this camera, okay, camera app. After that you have to click on this setting, just click on setting, then you have to move on, three line, then move on settings. Okay, click on settings. Then here you can see this is the scan QR code. Whenever you turn on this scan QR code, what it should be, it means that whenever you are on the camera no, and you want to scan something, it will be activated. So just click on this icon if you want this, then, and if you want to off again, you just click on this icon, it will be off. Okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.